Hi, good afternoon, everyone. I would like to ask, what is the model of engagement that you are planning with your partners?
To give you a reply on that, normally how organizations work is that you have two segments. One is the channel partners, typically, we go by, and then you have an end customers or the users which are there. Uh, if you see, our idea would be to engage more and more of our partners or the extended arms, like all of you sitting out here, because typically the reach to them is much higher on your perspective than our perspective. And it's more of a teamwork wherein we can supply a product, but then there are a lot of other things beyond products. So it's all providing solutions. So when it comes to solutions, we are talking about supply and apply both. So there is a role wherein we can partner among ourselves and see how do we fix up. There are also a lot of complementary products which are there, which part becomes a part of this whole system. So when you design a roof, it's not just the sheets which are being supplied, but you have screws, you have turbo vents, you have gutters, you have a lot of other things which have to be incorporated. And I think you all guys sitting out here are experts of many things which is included in that. So idea is going forward, how do we get associated among each other? How do we partner each other and we grow together? So that's an idea.
And engagement, you ask engagement to start with the courtship first, right? So first we'll start with seeing to each other, then we'll engage. So we are here. So since beginning when we came into our vision that we are into India, we need your handholding, to be very frank. And we are there to support you. And the people are there. These people, I can see some people from here, they have handholded since beginning. And now, yesterday I have seen one of the figure, they started 20 metric ton per month and they have reached around 450 metric ton in 9 months time. So that is a big support to us. And engagement definitely will be there. So first we'll start with seeing each other, and then we'll have some talking on the coffee, then we'll have a lunch and dinner, then definitely this engagement will go in more strengthened way.